In an important study at the University of Tel Aviv, Israel, Yoga Nidra significantly lowered levels of serum cholesterol in cardiac patients. Other studies have reported lower circulating levels of metabolic and endocrine stress hormones, including lipids, aldosterone, testosterone, adrenaline, and dopamine beta-hydroxylase or hypercholesterolemia. High blood cholesterol is one of the most clearly recognized risk factors in coronary arterial disease and generalized arteriosclerosis. The serum of cardiac patients whose blood lipid and cholesterol levels are consistently elevated is milky, thick and turbid, in contrast to the clear, water-like serum of a healthy person who consumes a diet low in saturated animal fats. Continual pumping of this heavy, viscous liquid throughout the arterial tree over time imposes a great strain upon the heart muscle. Much as a motor which pumps a thick, oily mixture will wear out much quicker than one which pumps only water. In the past, medical scientists have attempted to control hypercholesterolemia by specific drug therapy, such as the cholestyramine resins in conjunction with a low-fat diet, with limited success. Yoga Nidra now offers an effective adjunct in lowering this crucial risk factor in coronary disease.